The Canon XA20 professional camcorder is a powerful tool designed for creators who want professional quality without breaking the bank. Featuring a newly designed, genuine Canon 20X HD video lens, it offers an impressive focal range equivalent to 26.8 millimeters to 576 millimeters in 35 millimeters terms. This means whether you're capturing wide scenic shots or zooming in on distant details, this camcorder handles it smoothly with an 8-blade circular aperture for beautiful bokeh and precise manual focus control. The heart of this camcorder lies in its 2.91 megapixel HD CMOS Pro image sensor paired with a Digic DV4 image processor, which work together to deliver high sensitivity and a wide dynamic range. This combination ensures your footage looks sharp, vibrant, and clear, even in challenging lighting situations. Recording options include 1080p at 60 frames per second in MP4 format, providing high bitrate capture for smooth, professional-grade video. Additionally, AVC HD Progressive at 28 megabits per second and native 24p recording give you flexibility for cinematic-style footage and detail motion capture, including slow and fast motion recording. Connectivity is a strong point of the XA20. It comes with built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, making wireless sharing and remote control easy and efficient. Alongside Wi-Fi, it offers Bluetooth, infrared, USB, and HDMI connectivity, ensuring compatibility with a variety of devices and workflows. One of the standout features is the detachable handle, which expands your audio capabilities with 2 built-in XLR audio inputs, phantom power support, and manual gain control. This is crucial for filmmakers who want crystal clear, professional audio without relying solely on the built-in microphone. The handle also houses an infrared emitter and diffuser light, allowing for infrared shooting in extremely low-light environments, making it versatile for night shoots or stealth filming. Additional features on the handle include a cold shoe, an external microphone holder, and zoom control, all adding to the flexible, professional use case scenarios this camcorder supports. The 3.5-inch LCD screen is bright and clear, providing good visibility for framing and reviewing footage on the spot. The use of SDHC flash memory means you can use affordable, widely available cards for storage. Overall, the Canon XA20 blends Canon's trusted optical and imaging technology with user-friendly features and professional-grade audio input options. It's ideal for documentary makers, event videographers, and indie filmmakers who want to capture high-quality 1080p video with excellent control over their shots and audio. The combination of manual controls, strong sensor performance, and flexible connectivity options makes this camcorder a standout choice in its price range. Whether you're shooting in well-lit environments or low light, the XA20 adapts well, delivering reliable and impressive results.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.